little Malala Elvira. I'm going to talk about the digit ligature, th ligature, and h. I'm going to explain the places and manners of articulation. The three are palatal violar. Palatal violar sounds are made by raising the plate of the tongue towards the part of the palate behind the alveolar ridge. So, the digit ligature and th ligature have the same manner of articulation. It is a fricative. What are fricative sounds? Fricative are a combination of a plosive and fricative. They begin like a plosive with a complete closure, but instead of a plosive, they have very slow release, moving backwards to a plate where a friction can be heard. H sound is fricative. It has a closure which is not quite complete. This means that the air is not blocked at any point and therefore it's not closure.
On the other hand, the suction is big enough for the air to make a noise when it passes through it because of the friction. Voice or voiceless? How do you feel it? Put your fingers on the front of your neck.
Here you can feel if the vocal cords vibrate or not. For example, H sound. Can you feel something? In this sound, there isn't vibration, so the sound is voiceless. Now I'm going to produce the sound th ligature. When you produced this sound, do you feel vibration in your vocal cords? No. So this sound is voiceless. Now with the digit ligature sound. Z. Z. With this sound, we can feel in our vocal cords vibration, so this sound is vibrate.
Review of the sound. H sound is long. This means you can hold this sound for a long time. For example, sh, shin, shine, wash. Th ligature is a short sound. For example, ch, ch, chin, chime, watch. And digit ligature. Digit ligature is as a one strand of air. So this is short. For example, j, j, dodge, major, jealous. The place of articulation H sound is palato-alveolar. Your manner is fricative. This sound is voiceless. For example, in a sentence, I have a sheen in my face. When I am dancing, I feel like I am shining. The place of articulation th ligature is palato-alveolar. Your manner is fricative. This sound is voiceless. For example, in a sentence, my daddy have a big chin. I do not want to watch TV. Digit ligature. Your place of articulation is palato-alveolar. Your manner is fricative. This sound is voiced. For example, in a sentence, my pet is jealous with me. I dodge things very well.